I'm Giulia Beatrice. I'm a Ph.D. candidate in art history at the University of Zurich, and I'm currently a 2024-2025 Beinecke Library Fellow. In my dissertation, I'm working on analyzing the relationship between Italian Futurism and Italian colonialism in Africa. The Beinecke has a great part of Marinetti's paper. Filippo Tommaso Marinetti was the founder of the Futurist movement in Italy in 1909, and he led and shaped the movement until his death in 1944. So this is a noteworthy document from the Marinetti's papers. It's a letter from Mario Menin to Filippo Tommaso Marinetti dated 1943. And this is the first written document by Menin I ever come across, because there are no archives of Mario Menin, and his artworks are also very rare. They were scattered all over Italy in private collections. Here he describes a tempera that he made during the colonial occupations. He basically sketched the fightings and also colonial landscape, Ethiopian landscape on paper, and then he transformed them into large canvases once he was back in Italy. And he really describes the landscape, the colonial violence, the characterization of the enemy that I've always sort of speculated on while looking at his paintings and temperas and sketches. And here he really puts down on paper what I've always found in his artworks. In Italy, the access to colonial archives, for instance, the Ministry of Colonial Affairs, is still not granted. So I was really surprised and pleased to have all these materials about colonial history, Italian colonial history that has always been sort of watered down and considered less violent, less important than other European colonial rules, all here and accessible. It's really important to have the chance to look at this material for Italian post-colonial studies and the elaboration of colonial memory.